Hey guys, welcome back. Right, today I'm going to use the xTool on this print and cut feature. Okay, so first of all, I need to open up my files. The files are now located at this X down here, the arrow down. So you just click this file to open a project. Okay, so and cut. Okay. So we've been greeted to another screen. It's loading the device. Okay, so it's connected via Wi-Fi, right? So so it's refreshed. So I already put a plain white color DTV on. Right? So just drag it in. Okay, from here, what I'll need to do, so let me refresh that. Okay, so this is basically a print and cut. Yeah. So the outline are the cut lines, the printed are being printed. So after when I send my design to print, okay, I'll just show it to you. So this is a print and cut. So I go into process. Okay, so you will get a pattern. Okay, so these are the registration mark. You send to print. Okay, so there I connect my printer via Wi-Fi. So it's onto an A4 paper. It's on portrait. Then you can hit print. So it's printed. So this is from the Easycolor DTV. So let me show you. This is the product that I am using, the Siser Easycolor DTV. Right. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put onto the cutting mat on inside the M1, and actually all the marks the camera will capture, and it will know where to cut this piece out. Right. Okay, so it's done. Cutting, print, and cut. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So these are the registration mark. The M1 actually read the markings. Thereafter, it will actually cut around it. Okay, so there is an offset of 1 mm. Okay, so after we remove the DTV, okay, so we just actually have to position this DTV, EasyVid DTV onto the wooden coaster, and we will actually set it at 150 Celsius. And for 15 seconds, thereafter it will actually seal onto this wooden coaster. Okay, so this is what being done. We already cut on the Easycolor DTV. I'm using you can use your Easy Press or your iron. Just set it at 150 degrees, and we're gonna press it on for 15 seconds. So okay, I'm gonna move this aside. I'm gonna press this on, and I'm gonna start. So I do have another one down here. Okay, so it's going to repeat the same process, and after that we will actually engrave the little bunny down here. Okay, the text down here. Okay, so okay, it's being done. So I'll lift up. Okay, and right now we can be able to peel to reveal. Okay, so it's being done up. Okay, beautifully. It's very thin. Okay, so now the next process will be we will actually engrave that little text we did on this area down here. Okay, so I will move back into the M1 and we will actually engrave this. Okay, so I have, since it's already done, I'll just put the coaster onto the base, and I will close the cover. Okay, we'll go back to the XCS, and we will actually put the text or the logo on the top right hand corner. XCS 2.0. So I'm going to set another page. So how to set another page will be, you click onto the canvas. Okay, there is a plus sign. Click onto the plus sign. There is another page down here. So on this page down here, I'm going to show you the editing notes. All right, this file up. Okay, then I will have to ungroup it because now it's being grouped up. They are all being grouped up. So I just have to ungroup it. Right, I'm going to remove all this text on the top and bottom. So I just all this text down here because I do not need it. This is after when I edit the notes, I'm going to engrave this little, say, a logo onto the bamboo coaster. All right, but the idea that I'm going to do will be, I'm going to show you how to edit the notes. Right. So for example, I would like to continue because it actually stopped down here. So let's say, for example, I'm going to drag it down so that it actually continues on this top line and is joining onto the bottom line. All right, so I'll just click on this, the top part. You go into the edit notes. All right, from the edit notes, you can be able to drag it down. Okay, so I hit done. There you go, it's being joined up. I click on this again and I'm going to edit the notes. So I'm going to go down. Done. Okay, so there is a little, it's not joined up, so I go back and I go hit. Okay, so now it's joined up. So this two line has been joined up by using the edit notes, right? So maybe I would like this, for example, to join to the top. Okay, and I hit done. I'll hit this, select, and go back into edit notes. Okay, I hit that. Okay, so I already modified the notes. Alright, so now I'm going to reduce the size of this so that it can be able to fit onto the wooden coaster. Right, so the size that you can be able to see is 120 by 70. 7 is way too big, so maybe I'm going to go into a tiny little one. So it's and what? So I will go for maybe these shades down here. So I will click open in XCS so that the logo settings already being preset. After it being refreshed, we will do the auto measurement. Design, okay, so it's the auto measurement is done, is 7.4, so the logo is here. I will actually drag it to where it's supposed to be. So maybe I will just have to do a little bit smaller. Okay, that should be fine. Okay, so it's engraved. The setting is 65%. The speed is 160 millimeter per second. Okay, so I will go and hit the process and we will start the engraving onto the bamboo coaster. Right, so I will hit start. Okay, so we will do the engraving. So okay, we will press the power button and we will let it go. So it's about done. Okay, so we will take a look. Fantastic, really sharp. Okay, so I hope you guys did follow the whole tutorial. So I see you in the next one.